Aspire Beta has introduced an undo function. We can see that here if we go and add another pipe, for example. So let's just add some pipes. Add that pipe. And yeah, we'll add another one the same. So here we are, we've got 3 pipes. We can do things like delete a pipe, go back to 2, and then just doing undo will restore it. We can do things like, if we have a look at our detector, we've got a VU. If we were to change that to VLF, which only takes 1 pipe, then that will reduce back to there, and we can then undo that operation, and we find we're back to our VU and our 3 pipes. So we haven't lost anything by doing that. And that really applies everywhere. We can go down to an individual item like this one, delete it, and we do an undo, it goes back again. In fact, this is a multi-level undo, so let's see if we go and add another detector, another pipe I mean, let's do that. And we go and delete some items from here. We can step back and you'll see that it's been undoing each of those steps we just worked through. So it's basically 8 levels of undo that is supported within Aspire. Now we can do things like delete a detector, and you'll notice here that it warns us that we really want to do this. We can choose to hide that message because now we have undo, so we don't necessarily need to press it every time. So if we do that, it's undone it, we do that, we're back to our detector and it's got its pipes. Now if you want to bring that warning back again, go to your preferences, go under General tab, and you'll see here warn before deleting detector, and there's other ones as well. So if we go and bring that back again, close that. This time we delete it, got our warning. I'll switch it off again this time. So we undo it, bring it back. The next time I go to delete it, I don't get the warning because I've switched it off. We can do things like an auto balance. And if we look at the group details, you'll actually see that some of these hole sizes have been changed. If you decide to want to go back to what we had before, just do undo. And you'll see how quite a few of these hole sizes changed. And of course you can always do redo. You'll have to recalculate to get back to your calculated values, but there we are. So basically undo applies to most operations, and it's 8 levels deep, and it gives you a certain degree of safety within while using Aspire. Another feature related to this is the autosave, and you can switch on autosave here, which means in the background every, say in this case 5 minutes, your working design would be saved into this location. And then if anything unforeseen happens to your computer or to Aspire, you've got a backup that you can go back to. So remember to make use of undo and also autosave.